Hi guys, my name is Rose White. I'm a retired garden fairy from the Pocket Size Farms here at Lifespin. I'm here today to show you how to take ordinary potatoes that you've gotten from the grocery store and turn them into your own crop. Today I have a brown paper bag. That's what you need. You need a couple of potatoes, ones maybe that you missed at your last dinner, whatever. What you're looking for are for at least 2 eyes. And that is how you're going to grow your own potatoes. So I'm just going to cut this in half. All of the meat in this potato is what the plant needs to grow, so you don't need to do anything else. I have a pot here, it has nice holes in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's holes in it and cover. Here I just have potting mix. You can get it in a variety of places, Walmart, dollar store. Just got a little bit of potting soil to plant these guys in. What's important is that you have 2 of these. That's where your plants are going to come from. They're called eyes. So you just plant that down. I got another one here I already cut. We're just using this little pot for now, getting our seedlings started, and then we're going to transfer those over into a larger container that's a little bit stronger, and you can finish growing all the way through. So we're pretending that these tomato plants are your seedling starts from your potatoes. That should take you maybe 3 weeks for something to come out of those potatoes that you cut. And then we found a recycling bin. Recycling bin would be an excellent vessel for you to grow your crop from. I like it because there's holes in it, so you don't have to do anything. I also found this piece of tiling. I like it. It has holes in it, and you could just stick that in like that, or however you can just there. I guess I'm gonna jam it in the corner. You can put your garden hose in there, and then the water is gonna evenly spread to all of the soil. So you put maybe 6 to 8 potato starts in here. As soon as they grow up, you do something we call hilling. We add more soil to it. So once you've got a plant like this, then you can start putting in compost. That could be sheep manure, that could be cow manure, that could be compost that you made on your own. You mix it with some soil first so you don't burn the plants, and you layer it. And as soon as the plants grow up a little bit more and you've got some stalk in it, this is stalk, then you cover them again. Remember, you just want a few leaves out to collect the sun's energy. Happy planting.